One, two, three, go! Osaka! Hello, welcome back to my travel diary. In the last video, the intro bit where I said, surprise, I'm in Japan, that was filmed in Tokyo Station. After we filmed, we hopped on a bullet train to Osaka. It was about 2 hours and we arrived in the evening. This next clip is the morning after. This coffee shop is simple, only 3 items on the menu. It was managed and presumably owned by this elderly couple. It was so sweet watching them tinkering away while we enjoyed the toast and coffee and the music. The vibes were immaculate. This is our room. As you can see, we have settled in. The rest of the gang are on their way. Has a table and chairs, garbage bins, fridge, microwave. Vian is doing laundry, separate door to the bathroom, separate to the shower room. I'm going to try this egg and famichiki situation that I saw from Alyssa Raphael. Let's see. This is our first full day in Osaka, all of us complete. Dotonbori is perfect for us tourists. It is a hub of food, souvenirs, sweets, just perfect. Brunch was at this place because we followed the queue of locals. Then we had the first matcha of the trip. It was delish. Walked some more and found this small stall. We bought takoyaki. One set had 6 pieces and we shared it. One, two, three. Wow! Ta-da! So cute! Oh, okay. Oh, cute! Next touristy thing is Ebisu Bridge for the famous Running Man billboard. One, two, three, go! Osaka! We've seen the tourist spot for the culture and now shopping. Best believe things were bought in Sundrug. We then walked to Daimaru, which is a fancy shopping mall, but we specifically went for Pokemon. Then we had dinner at this local place close to where we were staying. Absolutely delicious. Save this occasion. You must go. Trust me.
Spaghetti. Cheers a bit.
We just ate at this coffee shop. We had matcha, sandwiches, hot cocoa, They had no photo signs everywhere, so I respected that. It didn't film anything. Our day in round one is what's making up most of this video. I had to trim down almost 3 hours of footage to pack it all in one video, and I really wanted it to be in one video because this is how I remember it in my brain. This is one full day in my brain, so I really wanted to pack it in one full video as well. Round one is basically multiple floors of various activities. A floor specifically for karaoke, a floor specifically for arcade games, for crane games, a floor for bowling and other sports. Think of an activity and possibly they might have it. We had the choice of 1.5 hour, 3 hours, and I believe a day rate. Honestly, anyone could easily spend an entire day and not run out of anything to do. You have endless activities, it's that good. The main reason we came here was to try the batting practice cages, which none of us have ever tried before.
We're ready to go batting! Let's go!
There were different booths for different speeds to which a baseball would just be thrown at you. I first tried the softball booth. There was only one. Speed was 65 kilometers per hour, and I was very nervous. I'm out of breath. Diane's in 65 kilometers, Man's in 80. We've all had a round each already. I only hit it twice or thrice. It was so hard. I didn't expect it to be that hard. It was so fun though. It's always fun to do new things. It's a learning curve definitely, but you get 2 rounds each person. At least that's what I think the science says. Or you limit to 2 rounds if there are people waiting. Currently, nobody's waiting in other cages, so I think it's a quiet day because it's a Tuesday. Then played around in the proper baseball batting cage, and I could definitely tell the size difference between the softball and the baseball. It was much harder to hit. This angle you can see the animation and where the ball was thrown from. Oh my god, my hair! Oh my god, so nice! Gas, 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 gas! Gas? This day is one of the best times I've had in this entire trip. I'm not sure if this was reflected in how it was edited, but just know I had the best time. As we were running out of time, we chose to do golf last. We also have not tried anything like this before.
Wow!
Golf is harder than it looks. But maybe we were also all tired from batting and arcade at this point. At the exit, we exceeded 10 minutes from our ticket, so we paid 100 yen each. But we were also given 2 coupons. One coupon for 10 medals.
Is 10 medals.
Which we used for the arcade games. We went back another day and I didn't film it. And another coupon for 10 rounds at crane games, which was only valid for that day when we decided to skip it. We went out of round 1, saw a queue for this ramen place, and naturally decided to follow suit. And oh my god, was it worth it. Another delicious place. Save this location, trust me, you must try it.
Drip. 5.5. That's it. So cute. Okay. I'm done. Huh? Oh!
Wala English ang tahin to.
Hindi lang kakasabot.
Obviously, I am home. We've been home for 4 days now, and yes, I have seen Wicked in the cinema. More Osaka vlogs to come, and we eventually go to supper, so there is a lot coming your way. So please subscribe, ding dong the notifications.